Hey guys, Jogo here, out here in Pooler, Georgia, with the great old Robert Simmons, getting ready to do his practice session. See how we doing? Robert's back there. What's your name, sir?
Kennard.
Kennard. This is Kennard. He's doing the course with me. You think you're gonna do all right today?
Well, we have done it several times. I just have my picks.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
That maze is hell.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna try to do that maze and see what happens.
Hey.
Reload and
Keep it loaded, man.
see what I mean? This is what I'm talking about. You just got it, man. You don't watch the video.
Oh man.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Well, that's how they look when they stay in the garage.
That was a rule. I put my foot down. I gotta let go. Hey, remember, everything we do out here is slow and slow. So I don't want you incorporating speed on anything. This is where horses are created. If you want to be the boss, you got to go slow. Feet on front. Okay, cool. Hey.
All right. We did it. Hey guys, I'm here with Michael with Real Riders Ride. Check out his channel.
Little YouTube channel on the entire interweb.
Check him out. So today we're at Robert Simmons' practice session. I almost killed the damn man.
I think he wants to take my title of having the biggest little YouTube channel, so he tried to take me out.
I'll show you guys the footage. It's great footage, priceless. Again, I apologize for almost taking you out.
No apologies necessary. That was YouTube gold.
Yeah.
Great to meet you, man.
Good to meet you too. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Mike supposed to do? He shit himself. Hey, he saw Joe coming to him in 3D. He could have throttled out of that, but he froze.
I'm sorry about that.
No, don't worry about it, bro. We're good.
Nice and low. Lower. Put your feet out further. There we go. Because when your feet are close to you, it's harder. All that pressure's on your knees. Yeah, I got it.
All right. No problem.
Now, Joe Olsen can push us if you grab the front brake.
I did. Whew. Sorry about that.
Don't worry about it, bro. I can join the club today.
Yeah.
We got red jackets, we got blue jackets, we got pink jackets. You know.
Alright guys, we just got done with Robert Simmons practice session. It's a great session. Dropped my bike, almost killed the guy. It's alright. We'll get back to it. This guy over here, he's leaving. What's your name?
My name's Achilles from New Orleans. Spawn One Assassin Senior on YouTube. Yeah, he's a ballerina out here.
You got a YouTube channel too?
Yes, I think you subscribe.
What is going on?
Well,
You guys are killing me, man. Killing me.
check his channel out.
Joe's got a channel. Achilles got a channel. But listen, this guy rode a long way to come here to ride. Did excellent. All right, so definitely check him out. I'm definitely going to check out his channel. You know, unbeknownst to me, he has a channel. And so does Joe. Anyway, pleasure for you to be here, Joe. I appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
And if you guys are not subscribed, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, all right? If you're watching it on a smart TV, which most people do, you can still subscribe on the smart TV, all right? If you need help on that, just contact him. He'll let you know.
Make sure you guys subscribe to Robert's channel. He's got a lot of great content on there. Robert Simmons paying it forward.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next time, guys.